Hello everyone, dear viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about CSS, which means cascading style sheet. Let's move on. First one is the introduction. What is CSS? CSS stands for cascading style sheets. CSS is an extension of basic HTML that allows you to style your web pages. Here is the explanation of CSS, that the CSS is an extension of basic HTML that allows you to style your web pages. HTML helps to design the structure of your web pages, while the CSS helps you a CSS file allows you to separate your website HTML content from its style. As always, you use your HTML file to arrange the content, but all the presentations like fonts, colors, background, borders, text, formatting, links, link effects, and so on are accomplished within a CSS. The font, the color, the background are not accomplished in HTML, rather they are accomplished in our CSS, like cascading style sheet. Moving next is the further detail of our CSS, which is cascading style sheet. CSS is used to format the layout of the web pages. Here is a deep explanation of CSS. With CSS you can control the color, font, the size of text, the spacing between the elements, how elements are positioned or laid out, what background images or background colors are to be used, different displays for different devices and screen sizes, and much more. Like different images or different positioning of the elements are displayed differently on different screens or display sizes. The next one are the advantages of CSS. The first one is CSS saves time. How it can save time? You can write CSS once and then reuse the same sheet in the multiple HTML pages. And how we can reuse the same sheet of CSS in our multiple HTML pages, we will discuss further. Now we are discussing only the advantages of CSS. The second advantage of CSS is the page load faster. If you are using CSS, you do not need to write HTML tag attributes every time. Just write one CSS rule of a tag and apply it to all occurrences of that tag. So less code means faster download time. The next advantage is page load faster. If you are using CSS, you do not need to write the HTML attribute. It will, just write one CSS rule to one tag. So less code means faster download time. It is understandable thing. The third one is easy maintenance. To make a global change, simple change the style, and all the elements in all the web pages will be updated automatically. Rather in HTML you have to go and change each code once again and again. While in using CSS, it is easy maintenance in according that you go make simply changes to your style, and all the elements in all the web pages will automatically update. Moving next, superior styles to HTML. CSS has a much wider array of attributes than HTML, so you can give far better look to your HTML page in comparison of HTML attributes. That's true. The next one would be global web standards. Now HTML attributes are being deprecated and it is being recommended to use CSS. But with the passage of time, it is a necessary need. With CSS, you define the color and size in styles. Then as you write your documents, you refer to styles. Therefore, if you change the certain style, it will change the look of your entire site. These are the advantages of CSS. Why CSS is introduced? Because it is handy, it saves time, it is a global standard, and it is superior styles to HTML. The next one would be CSS